Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide toolbar on TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide the toolbar on your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone. And after opening your TradingView app, guys, on this interface at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see the chart button just beside the watch list. Tap on the chart button and you land over here where you can see the pen icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the pen icon where it says the fixed range volume profile for me. Tap on it and you land over here on this interface where you can see the drawing section, and there is the tools, trend lines, Fibonacci, but you will be required to tap on the favorite section over here, because at the bottom of the section you can see the show favorites on chart. If you tap on the toggle icon at the right side of it, and if it turns off, then the toolbar will be hidden from your charts on your TradingView app, but if you keep it on, it will be shown to you. Let's hide it by tapping on it. And with that being done, guys, this is how you will be able to hide your toolbar on your charts on your TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.